Hello everyone! Facebook made it easier for the publishers. How? It created a mobile app that helps you manage your pages on your mobile phone. It is called Business Suite. It saves time and helps you manage when on the move. Business in your pocket, I would say. So, how does it work? Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. First, you will have to download this app. In order to get the most of it, try to link your Facebook and Instagram account. This has to be business/creator account plus business page. If you're not sure how, check out our tutorial detailed setup of Facebook page. Here you'll be able to see if your page and Instagram are connected. Publish. From here, you'll be able to publish posts. If you're not sure how, check out our tutorial how to create Facebook post. When your post is ready, tap on the next button. Now you get the options such as publish now or schedule later. Handy, isn't it? Before publishing, just like the desktop version, you can boost posts immediately. Be sure to know how to boost a post. Promote button helps you create promotion from this app. Interesting thing is that you can create automated ads. Choose whether you like your customers to come to your location or not. For example, if you have fast food, add this option. But if you're an influencer and promote yourself as a brand, choose other options. Now, go through all the steps necessary in order to create automated ad. Choose the topics, specific words that apply to your business or service. Choose some photos. Don't forget to check the box if you belong to some special ad categories. Again, check the goal of the campaign. Click Next. Tap Next. Dates and promote your business. Your ad will show in the Desktop Ads Manager and in your App and Ads part. From this promotion part, you can choose between different goals, such as get more website visitors, promote your page, get bookings, or messages through WhatsApp and Messenger, or get more leads. From here, you can manage and start creating ads. Remember what we talked about in our tutorial for Facebook Ads Manager for Desktop. Comments. List of comments and messages on your page and Instagram profile. The good thing is that you have everything in one spot. Each message or comment is labeled with Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger logo. You can also add Messenger to your website. Tap on Get Started button. This part is for developers, but you can also do it yourself. It's important to have these two connected if you're always on the move and you want to cross-link those platforms in order to improve your business, so this can be a handy thing for managers, young managers, community managers. See all activity. Here you can see each activity that you had on your page. Likes, comments, page roles changes, shares. Folders icon. Shows all your posts, published and scheduled. Middle button with the pen on it is the Create Post button. Same as we mentioned before. Dots. If you tap on them, they offer you various options. Activity. Place where all your page's activities are listed. Ads. From the Create section, you can create different kinds of ads. In the Manage section, you can list out all of your active, inactive, or completed ads. If you don't have any ads till now, from here, you can create one as well. Change budget, boost again, pause ad, view ad, and at the end, view results. Appointments. You can create and schedule personal events or create appointment, depending on what you need. Photos. Place where you can list all your uploaded photos and created albums. Events. From here, you can create events, see upcoming events, and list the past ones. Jobs. As a business manager or owner, you can create job by giving details such as job title, description, salary. Fill all the necessary details. Choose the email on which you would like to receive the CVs. The optional thing is to add a question, but this can be very helpful in choosing the right person. require past employment or resume, it will be good to use this option. This way you can see past employment and engagement. Sometimes this can be crucial when employing someone. This is how it looks like when someone applies for a job. And here you can sort the applications. Products. From here, you can list your products if you have a shop, add new products, add a unique description, website, price, availability. Anything that one product needs to be listed in the catalog. In the end, tap on the Save Item button. Insights. Here you can see for each page for Facebook and Instagram separately how and where you stand with your page or profile. Trends can vary, so follow your audiences in both ways. Check the amount you spend and decide if it needs to be increased or reduced. You can also sort their metrics by reach, results, cost per result, amount spent, likes and reactions, comments, and shares. And on this icon, you can filter them by ads and posts, whether it be from Instagram or Facebook. Audience. Check the number of your followers, where they're from, and how old they are. That way you'll be able to know them better and create the content for that specific target group. Settings. At any time you can tap on settings and set your page. These settings are the ones you have on your page, mostly. Push notifications. Decide for which type of messages you would like to be notified. Automated responses. Greet customers. It's a good way to greet them when they come to your page through the messages. If you're away, be sure to create a message that says, "When will you be back?" Questions for potential customers are a series of questions in Messenger to see if people are potential customers. For the frequently asked questions, you have the option to create the answers. Appointments. As we mentioned in the business suite, you can create and schedule the appointments. For example, if you're a hotel, customers could book through Facebook if you turn this option on. You can sync to Google, which can be a smart part if you have a website and work on different platforms all over the internet. You can set the reminders for your appointments, even create a service list such as English class, 30 minutes, $25, beginner level. English professor from Europe. Classes are at CET in English language. Show service, include image. It's optional, but it's always better to use an image for your services. Instagram. Here you can connect or disconnect with your Instagram profile. Page information. Info that you provided when creating your Facebook page, but with less details. Interesting things that you can add services. List of services you provide. Name it, add description, write a price if you prefer, and add image. Now, save it. This way you're letting people know what your page or business can offer. Edit page roles. Again, just like from the desktop app, you can add or delete people and rearrange page roles. Activity log. Be sure that this log is considered to communicate with your target group, followers, or customers daily. Banned users. Have you ever banned the user from your page? Here you can see the banned ones, and from here on, you can unban them. Log out. At any time, you can log out from your account or page. Page visibility. If your page is not ready, you have the option to unpublish it. Delete page. If you decide that you do not need Facebook page anymore, you can delete it at any time. Help Center. Part where you can search through themes in order to learn how to do things on your page or profile. Terms and policies. The contract you have signed that you can read again and again to see what kind of information Facebook collects, what you can and cannot do on Facebook platforms, etc. Report a problem. Just like mentioned before in this video. Third-party notices. Licenses. For any additional details, be sure to watch our video's detailed setup of Facebook page and how to communicate through Facebook messages. Feedback. If you run across a problem, you should send Facebook at any time the info and explain them the issue so they could probably react and help you out on a way. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.